In some extreme situations, Satan himself will work against you. And when you are weak, physically, mentally, spiritually. Now this is, I don't know, today it's a wonderful day. The Lord is taking you to your success. When you are physically weak, when you are mentally weak, when you are spiritually weak, devil can take possession of you. I'll give a Bible example. Jesus was fasting for 40 days. When he was hungry, devil came to him. That's what we read in the gospel book. Not as a joke, I tell you. When you are hungry, when you are physically tired, devil will come to you. Now if you turn back in your life, you know many situations. You easily lose your temper when you are hungry. You can easily be upset. Easily devil can trigger you to anger when you are hungry. When you are physically tired, when you are physically worn out, you will become an easy prey for demonic attack. You can't pray. You can't read Bible. You can't concentrate. Generally, you can't worship God. You will become an easy prey for devil's attack in your life. When you are mentally weak, you got some preoccupation. You got a problem in your business. Somebody has scolded you. Somebody has upset you. Something has somewhere happened. You become an easy prey for the devil to induce you, for the devil to get in. You are mentally weak. You could not resist anger. Just a small illustration. You are in a very happy mood. Everything was going on well. And you got a very good contract in your business. And your boss is very happy with you. You got a promotion. Something good has taken place. Your spirit is just flying, soaring high. Your child is bringing the progress report. In one subject, the child has got some less mark. You just sign the progress report and say, okay, next time you do well. I don't believe that you can do well. You can come up. Okay, don't worry about it. Now, what's that I can do for you? Can I arrange a tuition for you? Can I spend some time with you? Turning to your wife, try to help him. I'll come and talk to your teacher. So many words will naturally come. You are mentally upset. You have got some problem in the office. You have got a financial loss. A creditor has come and screwed you in. He has spoken all words. He said, why are you wearing these pants and shirt? Man? Why should you have this vehicle? And so many things that man has said. All those things have broken your heart. Next morning, the same progress report with the same marks on it the boy brings to you. You get annoyed. You go to hit him. Tear the progress report. Why should I spend money on you? Everywhere I go back. Everywhere everybody is coming and shouting at me. Everybody I am answering. I got so much of shame. I don't eat. I don't dress. I spend everything for you. You stupid fellow. You have got this marks. Marks are the same. Your son is the same. I'm not saying that you can get less marks. No, I'm not saying that. But our reaction to our children, our reaction to our situations, not just depending on our situations, they are depending on our mind. They are depending on the strength of our mind. When our mind is strong, or mentally when we are strong, we look at that situation in a different way. When we are mentally tired, when we are mentally disturbed, the same situation we look at it in a different way. So when we are physically weak, devil can easily beset us, upset us. When we are mentally tired, devil can easily have an easy entry. And number 3, when you are spiritually weak, you have got a lot of work. You got your relatives, your friends, you got a lot of cooking dishes, you're entertaining people, you got a birthday party, you got something. So you don't have a normal routine time to strengthen, to beef up your spiritual strength. You could not have morning prayer, or the prayer that you had was a Namke boss, and you had your Bible reading and you don't remember what that you read in that morning. And you didn't have a family prayer, there was no family altar. You are very busy preparing for your child, for his birthday. All relatives came. Everything was in a gala atmosphere at Christmas. Many people could agree with me. You would not go to that night without a quarrel in the family. You cannot see that night without some mishap taking place. In the morning, the birthday boy had a good dress. Everybody said, happy birthday, chocolates were given, cake was cut, gifts were given. But before the night comes, he will get kicking from the daddy. He will do something, then the mother coming and saying, hey, I'm hitting him only on the birthday. Then we make a golden rule. He has received kicking on his birthday, so he will continue to have it all through the year. We'll finish that with a golden rule. When we are not strong spiritually, when we cannot beef up our spiritual strength through prayer, Bible reading, meditation, family altar, we become easy prey for the devil.